I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to filter out potentially unsafe messages on TikTok. Step 1. Tap the profile icon in the menu on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon and then tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to the Account section and then tap Privacy. Step 4. Scroll down to the Interactions section and then tap Direct Messages. The associated screen opens. Step 5. Navigate to the Safety Tools section and then tap to toggle on Safe Mode. Going forward, messages containing sensitive content and from potentially unsafe sources will be held in filtered requests. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.